Hi YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name is Glenn. I'm a qualified mortgage broker and a property investor. In this video, I'm going to cover off my first project as a DIY refurb buy-to-let. Now, some of you may have already been following my journey on TikTok, Instagram, and also on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the things that we uncovered, all the hidden expenses, costs, and at the end of the video, I will cover off what we've spent on this property, how much it's now worth, and what money it brings us in every single month. So let's go into the bit that you want, the figures, and see what I've done to the property. So how much has this project cost in total? And was it worth it? So in July 2021, I purchased the property for £112,500. Now, I was fortunate enough to buy the property in cash. The reason for that is that I put some of my own money towards it and also had some private investors which were family members. Now, I took a bit of a punt really on this project because I've never done anything of this scale before, but I agreed whatever the circumstances, they would get a return on their money per month of 5%. So this gave them peace of mind that their money was being put to good use, and it gave me incentive to get the project done and get it turned around quickly. So in total, this project has taken me 5 months, and I've had an incredible amount of help from my dad, who is not in the building trade, so it was a huge learning curve for both of us. But here are the figures. So purchase price, £112,500. First of all, there was clearance cost of where we had to rip out the property, and that came to £280. We also had to sort out the electrics in the kitchen as there just was not enough sockets, and we had to add a consumer unit. This had to be done professionally, so it come to £565. I also paid for painting and decorating throughout the property because it was more cost effective to get it done professionally and quicker due to the distances that we were travelling. This cost came to £2,300. We totally recarpeted the whole of the downstairs and the upstairs, and also laminate flooring in the kitchen and the bathroom. This came to a total cost of £1,400. We also found some hidden costs in the bathroom. There was damp in the walls and there was a leak in the tiled roof above. We had to get this repaired professionally because the work had to stall until this was done. This has come to a cost of £900. There was also a garage in the back garden which was actually made of asbestos. Now, with asbestos, it has to be removed professionally, otherwise you could have huge fines, and also it could be really hazardous to health. This was another cost of £1,860 that we didn't really bargain for. The garden was in a pretty bad condition, so we totally re-fenced the whole garden, adding a new back gate with concrete posts and gravel boards. We also turfed the garden ourselves for a cost of £140. But the fence post and gravel boards came to a total cost of £1,245. A lot of the labour costs we actually done ourselves, as in fitting the new kitchen and the bathroom. So we saved thousands of pounds there. So in total, with the kitchen and the bathroom units, it come to £1,200. I've also factored in, for transparency, some consumables and mileage costs. So I put in £1,250. This brings the grand total to £11,000 to refurbish the full property. So if we have a recap, we purchased the property for £112,500 in July 2021. We spent £11,000 on the full refurb. The new valuation and resale price that we've been told is £150,000. I am really pleased with that valuation. And a property down the road, very similar condition to ours, has just sold for £147,000. So this is a great comparable for valuers. So this property, based on those figures, has made a gross profit as £26,500. However, I'm not looking to sell this property. The idea is for me to remortgage the property, refinance up to 75% loan to value, and pay back my investors with their interest. I will also pull out any additional funds that I can myself to go to the next project. I've just secured a tenant paying £725 per calendar month. So within 2 years, this property would have totally paid for itself and will give an infinite return. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope it inspires you to take on your own DIY buy-to-let projects. Don't forget to like the video, click subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.